Hello friends, my name is Rowan from OptimizeFX and welcome to this quick introduction to my EA Parabolik. In this video I'll go through the settings and the 3 different ways to trade Parabolik EA, followed by some screenshots of some backtesting I've done lately and a visual backtest so you can watch it trade. At this stage you can only purchase EA on the MQL5 marketplace, which you can see in front of you, through various payment methods that they offer. But it is currently on a holiday special and the price you see here at 60 USD may not last long. So get in quick to secure this EA at a great deal. Let's get into it. So there are 3 ways to trade Parabolik EA. But before I do that, let's have a look at how it trades. So the Parabolik EA was created to take advantage of the Parabolik SAR and uses moving averages to determine the correct trend for entry. It can be used on any time frame and any pairs. The higher the time frame, the better the entry, but the slower the profits. Usually I find M5 to be recommended. M1 you'll have a lot of trades but very poor entries, but the recovery system can make up for the poor entries. So I've been playing around with like M5, M15 and H1 with various degrees of success with the robot. And you can trade it 3 different ways. You can trade fixed lot size, an incremental lot size. So by incremental you have a start lot which can be 0.01 and your increment could be 0.01. So the first trade will be 0.01 and the next trade will be 0.02. The next trade after that will be 0.03, 0.04 and so on. But if the incremental lot size, or the increment was 0.02 for example, your second trade would be 0.03 and then the third trade will be 0.05 because it's adding 2 on each time. So the next one is multiplier as well, and essentially it is default at 1.5x. You can turn it on or off. If you have it off, it'll do incremental lot size, and if you want to do fixed lot size, you change the multiplier value to 1.0, and the EO will trade on fixed lots, which is ever the value that you have on the initial lot size. So these are all the settings here. You've got your start lot, your range, which is the distance between the orders when it's in recovery, level, which is the maximum amount of orders you're allowing the EA to trade, the lot multiplier, whether you have it on or off, the multiplier setting itself, the increment, if you have the multiplier off, it's using increment, the take profit in money, which is a basket profit system, the main moving average, the main moving average mode, which can be either simple, exponential, smoothed or linear weighted, and then the trend would be the same as well. And then you have just basic things like slippage, dashboard comment and magic. I don't have the slippage there, I'll have to add that in. So that is just a brief overview of the Parabolik settings. Down here I have a couple of back tests that you see here. So this one it's a little bit hard to see, very strict rules with them when it comes to uploading images. I'll try and get some better ones, but these back tests are over 6 months. This was on Euro USD, 5-minute time frame, and every tick, 99.9% modeling quality. It is hard to see, so we can zoom in. Yeah, it's not real good, is it? So I'll fix this up. But yeah, total profit was, and this is actually not good, I've got some better ones, but it was $305 with a drawdown of 6.32%. You know, it's still pretty good, but there was a little bug with this version, which is now updated. It's now version 1.1, so it is more profitable now, which I'll show you. I've already done a back test and I'll show you in a sec. So this one is Euro USD, 5 minutes starting at $1,000, 138. Don't know which multipliers at 1.21, so this is a different setting. And then we have Euro Pound, 287 at 19.87%. And very last I was mucking around with a 10k account with all the pairs, 28 pairs, and it turned 10k into, where did it end up with, 33k from November the 26th to December the 24th, so in a month. It tripled the account using obviously not default settings, but you know, it's capable of doing that. But you can see the drawdown there was quite large, so I think the settings were probably a bit too adventurous for that, but you know, always welcome to backtest it and find the best settings for each pair, which I do highly advise to do. So that is in essence Parabolik EA. We'll go to the chart and I'll show you a recent backtest that I did with the new version. So this one here is version 1.1 and this is the report. So from 1,000 in 6 months, it made $949, profit factor of 1.78. Maximal drawdown it had was 482, which was 28.24%. And this is just default settings on 1,000. So I recommend $1,000 to be the minimum to trade this EA with. If you don't have 1,000, use a cent account, so you can $1,000 is just $10.00 if you have a cent account. So these are just the default settings. So I hope that helps you all out. I will be doing another video on optimization with this robot. That will be coming out soon, but I just wanted to chuck a quick video on out there just to show just the settings, and after that I'll be after this little bit I'll just show a visual backtest of this exact same method here that I'll have going. So I just click visual mode. I'll make this a little bit smaller so you can watch it, and we'll watch a visual backtest, and that will end the video. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with a really nice optimization of this EA. Thanks for watching.